that spinning wheel of death. The lag when you orbit your model. The render that takes all night. For an architect or 3D artist, a slow laptop isn't an inconvenience, it's a career bottleneck. We've run benchmarks in Revit, Blender, and Unreal Engine on every major workstation. We're talking GPU rendering, viewport performance, and battery life on the go. We found the 5 machines that won't hold your creativity hostage. One laptop is an absolute rendering monster. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Let's unlock your potential. Starting at number 1. Razer Blade 16. Best high-end gaming laptop for architects. The Razer Blade 16 stands out among high-end gaming laptops for its balance of power and efficiency, delivering top-tier performance in a more streamlined form. Powered by a 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and NVIDIA RTX 4080 GPU, it's built to handle demanding tasks like 3D modeling, rendering and complex simulations with precision and speed. Its 16-inch OLED QHD plus 240Hz display offers breathtaking visuals, combining vibrant colors with fluid performance, making it ideal for architects perfecting their complex designs or presenting detailed projects. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, it's well prepared for intensive workflows and large file management. The Blade 16 also incorporates advanced vapor chamber cooling to sustain peak performance during extended work sessions. For architects seeking premium power with a more refined and professional edge, the Razer Blade 16 is definitely a compelling choice. Number 2. Apple MacBook Pro 16 M4. Best Apple laptop, MacBook, for architects. For architects who favor Apple's ecosystem, the 2024 MacBook Pro with the M4 Pro chip delivers professional-grade performance. The M4 Pro's 14-core CPU and 20-core GPU handle demanding tasks like 3D rendering, large-scale project compilation and intensive workflows with ease. For more advanced needs, the M4 Max chip offers even greater power. Its 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display provides high brightness, up to 1600 nits, and excellent color accuracy, making it well-suited for precise design work and presentations. Starting with 24GB of unified memory and 512GB SSD storage, it offers configurations for more extensive project requirements. A 14-inch option is also available, offering similar power and a more compact design for those who prioritize portability. Optimized for macOS, this laptop integrates efficiently with design tools like Adobe Creative Cloud and Microsoft 365, while Apple Intelligence features improve productivity across devices. With all-day battery life and durable construction, the 2024 MacBook Pro is a reliable choice for architects who value performance and a connected ecosystem. Number 3. ASUS TUF A16. Best laptop for architects under $1,000. The ASUS TUF A16 delivers exceptional value for its price, offering an AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor and Radeon RX 7700S GPU, making it a reliable option for architects working with 3D modeling and rendering. The 16-inch WUXGA display, 1920 by 1200, 165 Hz, 100% sRGB, provides sharp, accurate visuals, ideal for design work. What sets the TUF A16 apart is its generous base configuration of 32GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB SSD, offering multitasking power and ample storage. Higher configurations, up to 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD, make this laptop a versatile choice for growing project demands. Its downside lies in its build quality, which feels less refined than premium models. However, for under $1,000, the TUF A16 is a strong contender for both students and professionals on a budget. Number 4. Acer Nitro 5. Best laptop for architects under $800. The Acer Nitro V stands out as the most budget-friendly choice, offering respectable performance for lighter architectural tasks. With an AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, it's capable of running tools like AutoCAD and SketchUp. Its 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate provides smooth visuals, though the base configuration of 8GB DDR5 RAM may require upgrades for multitasking or larger project files. The Nitro V's dual-fan cooling system helps maintain stable performance during extended sessions, and its Wi-Fi 6 support ensures reliable connectivity. While the Nitro V lacks the RAM and storage flexibility of the ASUS TUF-A16, its affordability makes it a great starting point for students or beginners with lighter workloads. Upgrades to 32GB RAM and larger storage options allow for incremental improvements as project demands increase. Number 5. HP Victus 16. Best laptop for architects under $700. The HP Victus 15.6, 2024, is a solid budget option, powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13420H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, 6GB GDDR6. It handles essential architectural tasks, such as drafting in AutoCAD or working in SketchUp, with ease. Its 15.6-inch FHD display, 144 Hz, ensures smooth visuals, making it a good choice for design reviews or light rendering. Where the Victus shines is its price-to-performance ratio. At under $700, it offers 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, comparable to other budget options like the Lenovo LOQ, but at a lower price. However, its more limited RAM and storage configurations, along with its basic build quality, may be less appealing for those with growing project demands. Compared to the ASUS TUF-A16 or Lenovo LOQ15, the HP Victus is a straightforward and affordable choice for architecture students or professionals with lighter workloads. While it may lack the expandability of the TUF-A16 or the refined multitasking capability of the LOQ, its low price makes it the most accessible option for those on a tight budget. So, which mobile workstation will become the foundation of your next masterpiece? The right tool changes everything. If this benchmark data saved you from a costly mistake, support the channel, hit that like button. Share this with your studio mates or classmates. And subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're testing a new GPU that cuts render times in half. The results will blow your mind. Keep creating.